Windows Live. Windows Live is a discontinued brand name for a set of web services and software products from Microsoft as part of its Software Plus Services platform. Chief components under the brand name included web services, all of which were exposed through corresponding web apps, several computer programs that interact with the services, and specialized web services for mobile devices. According to Microsoft, Windows Live is a way to extend the Windows user experience. As such, Windows Vista's welcome screen provides a link to download Windows Live Messenger or to subscribe to Windows Live OneCare. Also, Windows Mail, Windows Photo Gallery, and Windows Movie Maker were not offered with Windows 7 and became an exclusive part of Windows Live. Microsoft announced that Windows 8 would see Windows Live apps included right out of the box and would include built-in synchronization technologies powered by OneDrive, then SkyDrive. The Windows Live brand was phased out during August 2012 when Microsoft released Windows 8 to manufacturing. Active Windows Live services remained active but were gradually renamed. The Live domain, however, continues to be used in URLs for many online Microsoft sites. In addition to Windows Live, which is mainly aimed at individuals, Microsoft brands other properties as Live, including Xbox Live, a multiplayer gaming and content delivery system for Xbox, Gaming for Windows, Live, multiplayer gaming service for Microsoft Windows, and Office Live. Office Live merged into Windows Live during the Wave 4 update. Microsoft merged Office Live into Windows Live Team in January 2009. History. Windows Live was first announced on November 1, 2005. In its initial release, several Windows Live properties were rebranded and enhanced from Microsoft MSN set of products and services. However, MSN still exists alongside Windows Live as a means of delivering content, as opposed to customized content and communications. In May 2012, Microsoft began renaming Windows Live services, partly in anticipation of Windows 8, which integrates many of the Windows Live products and services into the operating system. Services. Online services. The following services were once part of Windows Live but are still online even though the brand name is dropped. Calendar. Calendaring web app that allows users to organize appointments, schedule meetings, set reminders, and share their calendar events. Hotmail. Free webmail service using the Ajax technology. ID provides single sign-on service allowing users to log into various Microsoft products and services with the same credentials. Users can manage their accounts and link multiple IDs together using the service. Live at EDU, hosted email service for academic institutions. Search, Microsoft search engine and advertisement platform. People, an address book service which allows users to keep track and synchronize their contacts information. Allow users to add contacts from other social networks including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, Flickr, and soon Sina Weibo and Skype for their Microsoft account. Profile, allow users to manage their profile information and displays information about the particular user, their recent activities, and their relationship with other Windows Live users. Office, free-to-use web app versions of Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. SkyDrive, password-protective file hosting service, enables file sharing and content synchronization, can preview images, Microsoft Office document, and SIM files, integrates tightly with Office web apps and Outlook.com to serve as an online storage for their needs. And Service Status, a diagnostics web page that allows Microsoft users to announce the status of its online services. It gathers a status history. Mobile devices. Windows Phone. Main article, My Windows Phone. My Windows Phone is a free online companion service for Windows Phone mobile devices that provides users with a free mobile phone backup solution by wirelessly synchronizing contacts, calendar appointments, Photos, and OneNote notebooks with a password-protected online portal. Users can access and manage their information stored on their Windows Phone devices via the online portal using their Microsoft account, as well as accessing a set of features for remotely ringing, locking, mapping, and erasing their lost phones. This service integrates tightly with other Windows Live services including People, Calendar, and SkyDrive. iOS. Main article, Windows Live Messenger Mobile. Microsoft released a Windows Live Messenger application on the iOS App Store, which allows users on mobile devices running the iOS to communicate with their contacts via the Microsoft Messenger service. In addition to the instant messaging functionalities, the application also allows users to view their Messenger social feed, view their friends' profiles, and integrate with Hotmail and Photos. Feature Phone. Windows Live also provides customized services specifically created for feature phones. It is offered via 3 channels: through client-based for Windows Mobile and other supported mobile devices such as Nokia phones, web-based for WAP and GPRS-enabled mobile web browsers, or SMS-based services. Mobile service. Calendar Mobile. Web-based version of Calendar designed for mobile devices to view, schedule, and manage calendar appointments and events. SMS service for users to query today's and tomorrow's appointments in their calendar. People Mobile. Web-based version of People designed for mobile devices for access to content information. Client-based version allows integration of the contact list with the mobile device's address book. Also allow users to query contact information via SMS. Windows Live Groups Mobile. Web-based version of Windows Live Groups designed for mobile devices. Outlook.com Mobile. Web and client-based version of Outlook.com that targets mobile devices and allow new email alerts via SMS. Windows Live Messenger Mobile. Web and client-based version of Windows Live Messenger that is designed for mobile devices and allows users to send instant messages via SMS. Windows Live Profile Mobile. View and update users' own Windows Live profile information using a mobile device. And Microsoft SkyDrive Mobile. Web-based version of SkyDrive designed for mobile devices for accessing documents stored on the cloud. The client-based version allows upload of photos directly from a mobile phone camera. Search services. Main article, Bing search engine. Bing, a replacement of the search engine Live Search, was originally named Windows Live Search and MSN Search prior to that, and was once part of the Windows Live family of services. Windows Live Search was occupied the homepage of live.com, the domain for all Windows Live services. However, on March 21, 2007, Microsoft decided to separate its search developments from its Windows Live Services family, forming part of the Live Search and Ad platform. As part of this reorganization, the new search brand Live Search was consolidated with Microsoft Ad Center, a part of Microsoft's Platform and Systems division. However, Microsoft recognized that there was a brand issue as the word Live continued to remain in the brand. As an effort to create a new identity for Microsoft Search Services, on June 3, 2009, Live Search was officially rebranded as Bing. Developer Services. Main article, Live Connect. Live Connect is a collection of APIs and common controls that allows developers to have a deeper control and offers access to the core Windows Live services and data through open and easily accessible application programming interfaces, APIs. Live Connect is built on a standard web technologies such as OAuth 2.0, representational state transfer, REST, and JavaScript object notation, JSON, and is designed to work with any technology or device. Live Connect unites the previously separate APIs of Windows Live into a single API that is based on industry standards and specifications. Software. Microsoft has released several computer programs with the Windows Live brand, a summary of which is included below. All except Windows Live OneCare are freeware and published in a software suite called Windows Essentials, formerly Windows Live Essentials. Essentials programs are designed to integrate well with each other within Windows and with other Windows Live services such as OneDrive and Outlook.com. Windows Live OneCare, on the other hand, was a commercial consumer's utility marketed with a software as a service licensing model. Service. Family safety. Integrated into Windows 8 and later. Parental controls similar to Windows Vista's family safety feature. Mail. Desktop mail and calendar client designed to succeed Outlook Express on Windows XP and Windows Mail on Windows Vista with full RSS support. Movie Maker, a video editing program for consumers. Messenger, instant messaging app. Messenger Companion, an add-in for Internet Explorer that allows users to share a web page with their friends on Windows Live, see links to web pages their users' friends have shared, and comment on these shared pages. OneCare, a suite of computer security programs with antivirus program backup utility and a personal firewall. Toolbar, a toolbar plugin for Windows Internet Explorer which allows quick access to a user's Windows Live Spaces, Hotmail, favorites, and live search from a button on the toolbar. Photo Gallery, image organizer that makes posting photos to SkyDrive and Facebook easier. Writer, desktop blog publishing tool that can publish to popular blogging services and make use of SkyDrive for photo storage. Discontinued services. Name, Admin Center, enabled users with domain names to change their domain MX records, mail server records, so that all features of Outlook.com will be available on their own domain names. Agents, interactive chatbots through Windows Live Messenger that allowed users to get more information about specific topics. Alerts, sent information updates to the user's email inbox, mobile device, or messenger. Barcode, 2D barcodes that can be used to store information or link to the mobile web. Call, allowed users to make PC to PC and PC to phone voice and video calls. Devices, an online device management service that allowed users to centrally access and manage the synchronization of files stored on their computers and mobile devices. Also allowed users to remotely access their computers from the internet via their web browser. Events, enables managing and planning different types of events and share them with others using calendar, spaces, and alerts. Expo, allowed users to post online classifieds and search for listings posted by other users. Favorites, synchronized the user's favorites between computers and allowed for the sharing of favorites. Frameit, extended the functionality of digital photo frame devices, allowing users to customize the content delivery from multiple sources such as RSS feeds. Gallery, a center for collections of developers' add-ons for Windows Live Messenger, Photo Gallery, Movie Maker, Writer, Toolbar, Spaces, and Live.com, as well as Windows 7 and Windows Vista sidebar and slideshow gadgets. Groups, enabled users to create their social groups for sharing, discussion, and coordination. Home, provided a central location to access Windows Live services, monitor status information, and navigate to other Windows Live sites and services. Help Community, collection of forums and messenger boards that allowed communication with other users of Windows Live products. Mesh, file sharing and synchronization service based on folder share and live mesh technologies. Supported PC to PC and PC to cloud synchronization, and synchronization of program settings such as Internet Explorer and Microsoft Office between multiple computers. Also allowed users to remotely access their computers via the Internet. Office Live Workspace, offered 5 GB of storage space for storing Microsoft Office Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook documents, and lists other online and sharing them with others. Office Live Workspace did not offer collaboration or editing capabilities, however. OneCare Safety Scanner, free PC scanning and health service to help delete viruses and other threats. Included a registry cleaner, disk cleaner, and defragmenter, network open port scanner, and comprehensive virus and spyware scanner. Personalized experience, an all-in-one homepage featuring a customizable RSS aggregator Gadgets and search tools. Plugins. A central repository for collections of developer plugins for Windows Photo Gallery, Windows Movie Maker, and Windows Live Writer. Q&A. A question and answer service which allowed users to ask questions, tag them according to topic, and gain points and reputation for answering other users' questions. Search Center. A desktop search program which provided a unified local and remote index search from a unified interface. Shopping. An online shopping comparison website which allowed users to compare items and prices of over 40 million products from more than 7,000 online stores. Spaces. A blog and social networking service which allowed users to create personalized blogs, add friends, and upload photos. Sync and Live Mesh. File synchronization which allowed files and folders between two or more computers be in sync with each other or with the cloud storage on the web. Live Mesh also enabled remote desktop access via the internet using a web browser. TV. An additional program for Windows Media Center which provided access to Windows Live Spaces, Messenger, and Call on large screen monitors or TVs. Video messages. Combined digital video with email into a service that allowed all webcam users to create, send, and receive video messages to anyone in their contact list, even when they are offline. Web Messenger. Online version of Windows Messenger which allowed users to talk online and in real time with others from within a web browser. Wi-Fi Center. Allowed users to search for wireless networks that are available and displays information about them. Wi-Fi Hotspot Locator. A website which allowed users to locate wireless internet hotspots worldwide and view their positions on a map using Bing Maps. Windows Live Butterfly. The Windows Live Butterfly Awards program, formerly the MSN Butterfly program, was a program whose members were given the benefit of new Microsoft software to test before the beta releases went public, and they were in direct contact with the program managers for Windows Live products. Microsoft had initiated the Windows Live Butterfly program in order to recognize the contributions made by exemplary beta testers. Prospective butterflies were selected by the Windows Live product team and were nominated for a term of 1 year, after which they would be renominated. The Windows Live Butterfly program was closed in June of 2009. User interface. All Windows Live websites sport a common theme. Different themes have been used on the sites with each phase of product release, called waves. Each wave had a set of online services and desktop programs, Windows Essentials. The web services are labeled by each wave, for example, Hotmail Wave 4. The programs from Windows Essentials are usually called by a year number, for example, Windows Live Messenger 2011. Blue Vapor/Flare. Most original Windows Live applications and services used a visual theme known as Blue Vapor or Flare. This theme no longer exists on any of the current Windows Live properties. Wave 2. With the public beta release of the Windows Live Wave 2 suite, Wave refers to the group or wave of products to be released. A new visual theme was released to enable arrow transparency in effect in Windows Vista. This theme no longer exists on any of the current Windows Live properties. Wave 3. Microsoft released a set of new themes for their Windows Live Wave 3 services, which allowed users to customize their page on Windows Live using a set of pre-selected background pictures. Several of these themes are dynamic and change according to the time of day and the current weather condition of the user. This theme remains in use on sites such as Windows Live Admin Center. Wave 4. In addition to the themes provided in Windows Live Wave 3, the release of Windows Live Wave 4 provided additional themes for users to customize their pages on Windows Live, with several dynamic themes that change according to the time of day and weather conditions at the user's location. Several of these newly added themes are similar to wallpapers originating from Windows 7. In addition, the Windows Live Wave 4 header features a reorganized dynamic navigation menu that displays the number of the user's current online contacts and the number of unread emails. as well as an inbuilt Windows Live web messenger service allowing users to connect to the Microsoft Messenger service and Facebook chat service to chat with their online contacts while browsing any Windows Live properties using a web browser. This theme remains in use on sites such as Family Safety. Wave 5. All Windows Live apps for Windows 8 are designed with a Metro-style user interface. All web services also feature a new Metro-style user interface and stop using Windows Live in their names. The UI's header contains a pull-down element which allows users to easily switch to Outlook.com, People, Calendar, and OneDrive. The header's color also changes depending on the web service the user is using, with the exception of Outlook.com, which allows users to customize the header's color according to their preference. The new interface also has an inbuilt messaging sidebar that allows users to view presence of, instant message, and audio call and video call their contacts on Windows Messenger, Facebook Chat, as well as Skype. In February 2014, Wave 5 services and Office web apps were consolidated and rebranded as Office Online. Renamed services. The Windows Live services are renamed as listed: Search to Bing, Account to Microsoft Account, Folder Share, Mesh, SkyDrive to OneDrive, Hotmail to Outlook.com, Contacts to People, Web Messenger integrated into all services, and Photos integrated into OneDrive.